to dig out trenching for landscape wiring. If you have a long run, this is the best way of doing it that I can find without getting into specialized heavy equipment or specialized equipment, period. But as you can see, I have quite a long run here. And of course I want it underground. So rotting lawnmower will have a lot of fun with this wire if it's left up on the top. So I just pulled the trencher, or pulled the edger backwards. I had the blade depth set to about halfway. And it gives you probably about a 2-inch trench there for your wiring. And it'll allow you to put your wire into that. I use a paint stick, one of those flat paint sticks they'll give you at any home improvement store, to kind of wedge the wire down, and then once it's in there, I just kind of kick it to close it up. Since it's not very wide in the first place, it's not very difficult to close it up. But that's an easy way of digging out a landscape wire trench, stick your wiring down into. So hope this helps somebody. And of course you can always have the edger for edging your lawn. Shalom.